back. And this all products we ordered from Amazon Saudi Arabia. Okay. Let me open it. This is the first look, and here is the little tag to raise the antennas. It's nice. And let's see what is the box content. There in this box, turning of the Apple, some labels and documentations. Surprisingly, it also gives you the charger. And it's in Arabic and in English, I think. Right here. And after this on the right, it's in Arabic and it's in English. And some other documentation. And maybe some stickers. Yeah, here are the stickers. Two stickers. Okay. And surprisingly, this cable is braided Type C to Type C. And this is 20-watt charger, which Apple charges extra every time. But surprisingly, here it gave it for free. I have the same variant in India as well, but in India they did not give the charger, just the cable. In Saudi, they give charger and cable. Both. Okay, let's open this. It has magnetic connector for pencil and stuff, and this is Type C port and quad speakers, the volume bumpers. See the branding, it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Yeah. And it's okay. Surprising.